Welcome to Shore to Shore. In this video, we share our top 7 recommendations for must-do activities at Disney's Aulani Resort in Oahu, Hawaii. The first time we went to Aulani, I noticed that so many people there had multiple days of pull wristbands on their arms. At this point, we had been living on Oahu for about 3 months, and I knew there were so many awesome things to do and see on the island. I remember telling Ryan, I have no idea why anyone would fly all the way to Hawaii and just stay at the resort. Then we spent a few days at Aulani, and I knew why people would do that. Now, I still think if you're visiting Oahu, you should definitely get out and explore the island, but Aulani has so many awesome activities that you can enjoy. Here are our top 7 must-dos. The number one thing you absolutely need to make time for is the Waikolohe Valley. The name of this valley means mischievous waters. You can find all sorts of ways to enjoy the water at Aulani. The lazy river, multiple pools, hot tubs, the Ko'olina Lagoon, and the Minihune Bridge kids play area, as well as rainbow reef snorkeling. We recommend getting an early start to get your towel and wristband and stake out a spot. One tip is to get your wristband and towel the evening before for the next day, and then you won't have to wait in line. We can spend days just bouncing around between all the pools, hot tubs, lazy river, water slides, as well as the lagoon. We like to get a shady spot by the Wailana pool. It used to be an adult-only area, but now is open to children with adult supervision. My favorite pool is the Kamaka Grotto pool with an infinity edge. One of the most magical activities for us is floating around the lazy river on a tube and looking for all of the hidden treasures. You can spot sea life carved into the rocks, minihune, and other features all around the river. We honestly have done this for hours. Grab some lunch from Mama's Snack Stand or Ulu Cafe and make a day of it at the pools. Number 2. We recommend checking out the activities at the Hana Community Room. There are activities offered here that charge a fee, such as make your own Mickey ears and t-shirt stamping. There are also free activities like ukulele lessons and an animation class. The Hana Room is also where you can get a device to do the Minihune Adventure Trail. We had so much fun with this activity. It brings you all around the valley to solve riddles and look for secrets. It is interactive and you can learn about the Minihune. Make sure before you arrive you check out the Daily Eva. Disney releases it for the week on their website and on the app. Some activities fill up quickly, so if you want to do something that requires a reservation, we recommend booking it ASAP. Number 3 on our list is to learn about the Hawaiian culture. The resort offers several activities that inspire appreciation for the Hawaiian culture. We recommend you join the free walking tours around the resort. These tours are usually led by Uncle or one of the other staff. There is an art and culture tour, as well as a nature and wildlife tour. These tours take you around the resort to point out the specially chosen details that show the culture of Hawaii represented throughout the resort. We loved doing this because we gained a greater appreciation for the Hawaiian culture, as well as getting to explore the Disney Imagineering and details put into the resort. The guides are engaging and informative. The groups are usually small, so you can ask questions. We think this is definitely worth your time. Another free, entertaining activity that we recommend is the Mo'olelo Fire Pit Storytelling. Gather around the fire pit to hear Hawaiian folklore stories and songs told by Uncle. Plan to arrive a little early to get a seat. There are also free hula shows offered at the resort. We watched one on the lawn. We also saw them near the pool area. Check the Daily Eva to find out where you can see the free shows. Our number 4 must-do is to enjoy live entertainment. The resort has so many options to enjoy live entertainment. The Olelo Room is a lounge that has nightly live music. It's a great place to relax with some food and drinks. But if you don't want to sit in the lounge, we recommend enjoying the music from the lanai or the large porch upstairs above it. We especially like the giant couches. There's live music also near the Ama Ama and Off the Hook restaurants. Again, if you don't want to eat, you can sit in the lounge chairs nearby and listen to music while you watch the sunset over the ocean. One last thing that we really enjoyed on our last trip was the Kawa'a Luau. We have been to a few luau's, and this one was really well done. This is a paid activity, but it was a nice luau if you have never attended one. The food was delicious, and we appreciated the storytelling in the luau. It also has pre-show activities such as tarot pounding and temporary tattoos. Some special Disney characters also make an appearance. Our number 5 recommendation is stargazing. The night sky is beautiful over on this side of the island. I try to make time every visit to just view the stars and contemplate the universe. There is a paid activity you can reserve in advance that is offered at the resort, but it is not run by Disney. The company sets up powerful telescopes for viewing the moon and stars. We got to see the moon very close up and learn about the constellations and stars in the Hawaiian sky. However, if you don't want to pay for this experience, just find a lounge chair or that giant couch we mentioned earlier. Lay back, relax, look up at the stars, and enjoy. Number 6 on our list is to check out the kids' activities. There are activities offered at Auntie's Beach House that you can find on the Daily Eva. The resort also offers character meet and greets. Both adults and kids like to meet Stitch, Mickey, and their friends. The characters also come out to have pool parties by the pool. The resort also offers a free family-friendly Disney movie night out on the lawn. Again, check the Daily Eva and make sure you make reservations in advance for anything you don't want to miss. Finally, our tip number 7 is to enjoy a spa day. The Laniwai Spa is a worthwhile splurge. We've had great services here. It's a relaxing way to spend the day. We love allowing extra time to enjoy the hydrotherapy garden and the relaxation rooms. Our tip is to book it on your departure day if you have a later flight, so you can make use of the showers after you've had to check out of your room. Okay, that's our list. Is there anything that you would add? I know it can be hard to choose what to do when you have all these great options, in addition to the other wonderful things to explore on the island of Oahu. We recommend checking out the Aulani website and app to learn more about these activities. Let us know what you plan to do in the comments below. We hope you find the perfect things for your family and have the most restful, relaxing, and enjoyable time at Aulani.